All right, we're doing something we've never done before here in Ocean City, which is surf fish. For the first time, we're trying it. We got it out there. What do you think?
I think it's a first try and we're rookies at this.
Yeah.
What are we going to do?
If we don't break something, I think it's a success. So there's our rod. We got some fake bait out there. I have no idea what we would even catch. I'm not even sure how we know if we have a fish on there, but it's nice out, and we're gonna try, right, Dad?
We are going to try. and you know what else is there to do in that time?
Right, there you go.
No bars, no.
That's right. So let's try to catch some fish.
Yeah, we had no beer.
No beer. Oh, we should have brought some beer. All right, let's take a look and see if we do something. Here's Dad pulling one in. He thinks he has something. Well, I guarantee you it's just the weight hitting the bottom in the waves. You were excited there for a second, though. Back up. Come on, Dad, bring that monster in. We've never really surf fished, so anything like taps it, we think there's a fish, but it's completely different than regular fishing. The waves, the weight on the bottom. Oh, geez, it's funny. Oh, you do have a fish! He's got something! He caught something! He did catch something! Yes! He did get it! Yes! Yeah! Yeah, you did have something! Way to go! Nice! What is that? I don't know what it is. All right, we're back at it for night 2 of surf fishing. Success on night 1, you saw it just then. Dad did catch a fish. I was shocked. I'm out by myself right now. Let's see if I can catch one. I'm not too hopeful, but you never know. Let's go. Guys, what's going on right now? It's the trash truck. All right, stop right here, right here, right here. Don't get too close. Nicholas and Ben love the trash trucks. And these guys, oh, look at that. It's so cool. We get to see it close up. All right, here it comes. Nah, that's good, right there. Hi. Awesome! Look at that! Here they go. Oh, this way, boys! Oh, they love trash trucks. That's awesome. Look at that. All right, so cool. We're 2 for 2, Dad. We got a spot.
I got a spot.
That's a spot. There it is. There's a spot right there. That's
Okay.
Take a look.
We'll try and make it a little bigger.
Here we go. We're gonna put this spot back.
Yeah, I'm not going to throw this down. I'm going to put it
Get it off that?
Might be off there.
What do you guys think?
Yeah. Look at that beauty. It's a monster. A monster. Come back in, man. Oh my gosh, look at the hurricane Ben's built. Wow. Dad, do you have a fish? I don't know. Come on, Dad. Dad's getting out there. You think you got something? Hold it up. Can't tell if it's bending. Oh, he's got something. There it is. Another spot. Same fish. It's probably the same fish. All right, Dad. Yeah. Nicholas, what do you think?
It's the same fish.
It's the same fish? I don't know. Oh no, Dad, here, I'll hold it. You can get it off. Good job, Dad.
Oh, you.
Yeah.
I thought it was bigger than that.
Hey, Poppy, it was the same one.
It's the same fish? Oh man. It's a monster. Uh-oh. He's lively. Let's take a look, Dad. Let's take a picture. Oh, jeez, Dad. Oh, no. Get him out there, Dad. Hey, get him out there. Oh, we did it, man. Two in a row. Oh, I love it. No, he dropped it. It's good, I guess. All right, there you have it. 2 nights of fishing. 3 fish. A fish each night. Yeah, but Dad, you did good, Dad.
Dad,
You did good.
Dad.
Yes. I know. Good night.
2 fish. I got one more than last time.
That's one more than last time. What a good night. We don't know what we're. Yeah, we're gonna go for bigger fish next time. So the next video, we're gonna go with cut bait and a bigger little rig. Maybe get bigger fish. Who knows? We don't know what we're doing, but we're having fun. There's your fishing video from Ocean Cities Surf. Cheers, everybody.